This is the Parowan Gap Petroglyphs, which are up there. You can see them up there. They're very good. A little distant, but should have had my other camera with the zoom lens to get a good shot. But I have tons of shots of tons of petroglyphs, so we're going to walk on down the trail here. Oh, they're up there and over there, all over the rocks. This is the surrounding area here. There's the parking lot. It stayed very windy. I have my mask over top of the GoPro. This is what it says on the sign right here, which is up here. Well, we're coming out from the gap back here, out to the open area down here, which the gap opens up into the open area. So that was very windy there. Oh, there is a sign here. There were a few more that we saw. Wildlife at the gap. Oh, here we saw about the eagle's nest, which we already saw earlier. Can't see it now, but there's some petroglyphs right there on that one, which you can see. So, yeah, a couple of them right there. There you go. There's the gap. A lonely road down here. I'm going to take a shot of the road up here. The vans are going to come here to this spot to pick us up. A couple birds here for the bird people. And there's the road going off in the distance there.